Hey guys, Mike Depositor with Heartland RV inside our 414 Road Warrior. Guys, this is a really neat floor plan for us. What we did here is give you guys a really nice large U-shaped kitchen. 21-inch Furrion range with a large 30-inch over-the-range microwave. Deep double basin sink, plenty of storage up here, guys. The other neat thing that's in this area is integrated with our JBL Hi-Fi sound system this year. You're also getting your JBL subwoofer, large refrigerator. We're also going to the residential furniture, guys. This is again overplushed, overstuffed residential furniture with recliners. So again, extremely comfortable for when you're out there camping with friends or taking your family with you. Hey guys, up here in the 414 Road Warrior bedroom, want to show you a couple of the features up here. One of the things that's really nice in this bedroom is how much space you get. You're also getting up front washer dryer prep, guys, in a very large closet space. Over here, we're on our king size bed. The bed is also on a nice bed tilt system, so again, you do get additional clearance space. This runs up real nice and easily. Push of a button, it's gonna go ahead and retract, bring this in, gain a lot more floor space. As we head this direction, you have your bathroom, walk-through bathroom, large residential shower, but you also are getting a 55-inch TV standard, guys, with plenty of drawer storage. So guys, this is a truly luxurious master suite in a toy hauler. Most of the time you don't get this much room, and this is one of the largest bedrooms in any toy hauler in the industry. For more information on the Road Warrior 414, head to heartlandrvs.com where you can do a virtual walkthrough, see additional photos, or ask any questions you may have about the product. Thanks guys for checking it out with me.